Hello guys, welcome back to my lecture on similarity. In the last lecture we had discussed a few sums on similarity and the properties of BPT and angle bisector property. So today we will see the tests of similarity of triangle, means what tests you can use to prove the triangles similar. Because just by observing we cannot say whether the triangles are similar or not. So we have three tests. So the first test is side test, which means, so suppose if we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, okay, and it is given to us that this is 2, this is 4, this is 3, this is 6, and this is 4, and this is 8. Suppose like this information is given to us. So we can say that these two triangles are similar by side test. Now you will see here that how come by side test, this is 2, this is 4, they are not equal, right? 3 and 6, 4 and 8, right? Or if you see 4 and 4, only one pair equal, others are not pairing up. So here in similarity you have to not see congruent sides. Of course we have already discussed that two triangles are similar does not mean that they are of same size. Two triangles similar means their ratio of the sides are equal. Like you zoom this, if this is a triangle, you enlarge it, so you get this. So when you enlarge something, it gets enlarged from all sides. It's not like only one side is enlarged and the other side is small. No, when you enlarge this, everything increases. Everything increases with the same proportion. Okay, so when you use SSS test, so it says like if we get AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. What does it mean? If the ratio of the sides of this triangle and this triangle, this side and this side, this side and this side, if the ratios are equal, then we can say that then area of triangle ABC, sorry, not area, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And by which test? By SSS test of similarity. Okay. So what does it mean? If the ratio of three sides are equal, then we will say that the triangle is similar. Okay, by which test? Side test. Because in SSS test of congruency, when we prove the triangle is congruent, we need exactly three sides equal. Then we say that the triangle is congruent by side test. But here we are not talking about congruent, we are talking about similarity. Okay, so we should get the ratio of three sides to be equal. Okay, once we get the ratio of three sides equal, we say it is similar. Okay, you can also write its converse. Okay, you can also write ulta. That is, if it is given to us that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF, note this point, we will be using this in sum. If it is given to us that triangle ABC is similar to DF, then we can write this. We can write AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Okay. So we have more two tests. We will see one by one. So we have one more test to prove that the triangles are similar. So we have side test, side angles SAS test. So if we are given two triangles, this triangle PQR and ABC, and these are few informations given to us that this is 3, 6, 4, 8 and this angle is 100. So here as it says side angle side, so between two sides there must be an angle. Okay, see SAS test could also be written as ASS or SSA, but they have not written it like this because the letter itself tells us the sequence side angle side means between two sides there must be an angle. So between two sides there must be an angle. Two sides there must be an angle. Okay. So and now we are talking about similarities. So whenever you see sides, so it should not be congruent. Sides will not be congruent. It can be congruent. Okay, but the ratios should be same. So you can see here that PQ upon AB is equal to QR upon BC. right? 3 upon 6 is half, that is 1 upon 2, and 4 upon 8 is also 1 upon 2. So we can say that PQ upon AB is equal to QR upon BC, right? So what we got? We got ratio of two sides equal. Ratio of two sides equal. Okay. And we also have angle Q is equal to angle B. So what did we get? Two sides equal and an angle equal. So we can say that therefore triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC by which test? By side angle side tests of similarity. Right? So we need to get the ratio of two sides equal, but which angle it is? If you see here, this angle is between these two sides. You cannot take any angle. It should be between the two sides. So this says between two sides there is an angle. We have one more test which is AAA test, that is angle 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 test. Okay, now angle 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 test means again we have two triangles. Both the triangles have equal angles. Okay, now what? Okay, let me write this 60, 40, or let me take 50. So this gives us 70, right? So this is 70, this is 60, and this is 50, right? So let us name the triangle DEF. There can be any name of the triangle given to us. Not necessary that it should be DF only. And here let us take PQR. Okay. Now if you see here, this angle E is equal to angle R, angle F is equal to angle Q, and angle D is equal to angle P. So we can write here angle D is equal to angle D is 50, so which angle is 50 here? P. Angle E is equal to angle R, and angle F is equal to angle Q. So you can see here that the three pairs of angles are equal. So it says angle 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 test. So if three pair of angles are equal, then we say that then triangle. Now we will not. Now if we need to write the proper triangle name of the triangle. We cannot write DEF and PQR. Okay, because DEF is not corresponding to PQR. Okay, because DEF, you can see here itself, DEF is equal to PRQ. Okay, PRQ. See, angle D is equal to P, angle E is equal to R, okay, and angle F is equal to Q. Okay, so you need to write this in proper way. Okay, you cannot write in alphabetical order. You have to see which corresponding angles are equal, and as per that we have to arrange the name of this triangle, because if you don't write this properly according to their corresponding pairs, then our answer would be wrong. Okay, suppose the question, even if this question is given to you, like this diagram is given and it is told that write the corresponding triangles which are similar. So you need to write it like this, that triangle DEF is similar to not PQR. Now someone may say that either तो DF लिखा है, तो why not PQR? So if you write PQR, it will not correspond, because if you write PQR, see D and P is corresponding, but E and Q are not matching. Okay, so it will be wrong. So you need to write triangle DF similar to triangle PQR. I hope these tests of similarity are followed by all of you. Okay, so we will be seeing sums on this, because once we apply the concept with the sums, our all doubts will be cleared. Okay, so till then keep practicing. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section or ask me in person. Okay, so till then take care. Bye bye.